Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equals to u to the power of 3 because I want to cancel about the cubic root, so that I need to use this one in here. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have 3u squared du. So I will put this one going here and here. The s will change by this one. So this one we have u, this one we have u square, and u we will have about u to the power of 3. Next, we need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about t equals to 3u to the power of 3. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have 9u squared du. First derivative of u to the power of 3, we have 3u squared in here, and we have number 3 and number 3, we got number 9. dv, we have e to the power of u du. The integration of this one, we have v equals to e to the power of u. So we have t multiplied by v, that is about 3u to the power of 3 e to the power of u, minus we have dt multiplied by v, so we have the integration 9u squared e to the power of u du. Next, we continue using about integration by parts, but this time that is about 9u squared in here. The integration of u squared, we have 2u, number 9 and number 2, we have 18. So we have t multiplied by v, minus we have the t multiplied by v, so we have the integration 18u e to the power of u du. Next, we continue using about integration by parts again. So this time that is about 18u, and this one you got about 18. So for this one, we have t multiplied by v, minus we have the t multiplied by v, so we have the integration 18 e to the power of u du. This one we have e to the power of u, and later that I will put about c. About u, that is about this one, so I will put the cubic root for the both sides, and we have the cubic root of s equals to u, and now we need to change this one into this one. And this one that is about x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.